if it's cold.
You come in with your feminine.
Oh my lord, bro. I need a tune so bad. Oh my. I need a tune so bad. But look at all the mess they've done. Oh my gosh, bro. Chico, buddy, stop. Be a good boy. Alright guys, as some of you guys may know, I bought a camera and I used to do videos and edits with my phone. So I guess you could say that's a big accomplishment for me. So I'm happy to share this with you guys. And today is gonna be a good day. The reason why I'm vlogging today is because we're going to my friend's Nico's car meet in Cars Across Texas. So it's gonna be like a collab. So it's gonna be packed. It's gonna be pretty good. And man, I'm so excited for today. And hopefully you don't crash into me. The 93, baby, let's get it. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm really getting off of work. It's currently 5:56, and right now I'm gonna go to Nico's house and I'm gonna be meeting up with Najib, Alex. So we're gonna be cruising to the meet. Today is the big meet. Cars Across Texas and Nico are hosting the meet. So Nico asked me if I wanted to record for his channel, so I guess I'm gonna be his cameraman for today. So stay tuned. Also, as some of you guys may know, this is my first vlog with a camera, so I hope you guys can see the difference. And right now I don't have a computer to edit, so hopefully by the time I upload this video I'm gonna have the computer by then. But man, I'm so excited to finally have a camera, to finally being able to edit in a computer. And yeah guys, thank you all for subscribing to the channel. So if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell or whatever it's called. And man, I'm so excited for these year's opportunities. Hopefully I start making more videos with the car. I also talked to John from R&D Performance in Chicago, and he's actually hooking me up with a build in the Evo. So hopefully everything goes good, and I'm excited. Hopefully I'll be pushing 500 plus by next year, and hopefully everything goes good. Boy. So welcome to the Zinky channel. Looking at
what's poppin' to the Zinky channel.
Bro, we're running late. Aquí andamos con los kit.
They're like a butter color.
What up, Reem?
You know the ones that are coming out, they called the same.
Yeah, that's good.
You papi. You live in Cut? Boy. Ah, pues. You say.
¿Se quema qué?
El qué?
Dile otra vez.
El qué? Y andamos.
Let me see it. I want him to swing it right here.
Swing it, swing it.
In front of that boy Martin.
Boy. Yeah. Yeah, but I see this looking at. Dress. We got el cut. What up, man?
Oh, yeah, you film?
Aquí andamos con el cut.
What's poppin', G?
No quema. Oh no. Oh. Damn.
We gotta look for Joe.
What's going on, Andrew?
We're good. We're good. Just don't do stupid stuff. Don't nobody do stupid shit. Don't be fucking dumb. Hey, Jed.
What do you think, Naldo? That's my car. You gonna gap it?
It's slow, and I heard it's a dud.
Ooh.
That slow ass McLaren ain't going nowhere. For 2K, everybody gonna laugh at him. Don't delete that clip, bro. Leave that on there.
Ooh.
I want to run that shit. I just played it.
No quema. No quema. This video is crazy, bro. What the? We have my boy Naldo, Motor Park. What the fuck? Hell no. Boy! What the fuck? Boy! Is that guy married?
Hell no.
Looking at No quema! Se queimou, se queimou. Se queimou ou não?